Okay, so this is a product review on a 3D printed gold panning dish. So as you can see, the ripples came out quite nicely here. See the fine ripples, and then here we have smooth surface that we can also pan off, and this is the bigger one that you can use to filter out the lighter material. So the only downside of this actual panning dish, even though we also printed it slightly smaller than scale, if you look closely here, you'll see that there's pores at the top. So when you were testing it for panning, some of the silt or product got into the actual 3D print. So what we're going to try and do is try and seal the tops of this off, and then we'll give it another test and we'll let you know how that goes. Thanks guys for watching. Please do subscribe for more of our content, and remember to hit that bell icon as well as give us a like. Thanks guys.